go. Okay, it is getting extremely hot out here. See, there's an on and off button right here. On and off. Oh, now the brakes are not adjusted. The thing about disc brakes is it's very low tolerance. Very little room between the brake pads and the rotors. So you're talking about millimeter, 1.5 millimeter. If the brake pads are worn, it's about 2 mil. But we got it to where there's no rub, no rubbing. These are hydraulic disc brakes. Okay, no, I'm just gonna do a final